Let me teach you how to locate points on the Earth. These are what we have. I teach you the first, you do the second. So engage actively. You know too well that the Earth is spherical, just like this. Now there is a line that divides it horizontally and equally. This line is the one we call the equator. From here to this part is the one we call the northern hemisphere. And from here to here is the one we call the southern hemisphere. Another line divides it vertically in this form. We call this line the prime meridian. And this line divides it also equally. This part is the one we call the eastern hemisphere. All this part is eastern. And this part is the one we call the western hemisphere. What it means is that if you want to label, here is your north, here is your east, here is your south, and here is your west. Also remember that the north and the east measures from 0 to 90 degrees. Remember, this is 0. If you move up to 90, go down is 90. Then our east and the west measures from 0 to 180 degrees. This is 0. You go this way. The maximum here is 180. You also have here as 180. Also note it that the line that shows the north and south is the latitude line. This line is used for both north and south. We call it the line of the latitude. Then the line that shows east and west is this one that is in a vertical, which is the one we call the longitude. So our east and west has this, and then our north and south has this. So if I want to show this, what do? I want to show, first let's show point A. I have 75 degrees north. What do? You go to this part. 75 degrees north, this is 0. So if you want to locate 75 degrees north, you move up. You are not being actual. So 75 should be somewhere here. North is this kind of line. Did you see it? It's a latitude. So you are going to draw this line. This is our latitude. So here I'm having 75 degrees north. Please try to label. Now, what do you need to show again? You want to show 80 degrees east. So how do you show east? This is our east. So remember, your east is your longitude, which we use this line for. So I'm going to draw my line 80 degrees along the eastern part. Did you see it? So I'm going to label here 80 degrees. Let me bring it down. So this line is my 80 degrees east. And the place where these 2 points intersect, where the 2 lines, look at the first line of 75 and the 80 degrees. Did you see where they intersected? That is the place you are going to locate point A. That means for you to locate a point, there must be an intersection of your latitude and your longitude. So we are going to label this point A. Now we go to point B. 38 degrees north. This is still your north. So where do you find 38? Remember, you've already shown 75. So 38 should be somewhere here. Just try to use your common sense. So we are going to locate 38 somewhere here. Now, having located 38, please label it. This place is 38 degrees north. To complete it, 80 degrees east. We've already shown 80 degrees east. This is our 80 degrees east. So where does the 2 lines intersect? This is the first one, and this is the second one. So they both intersected here, and that is the point where you can find point B. Now, what did you observe? What kind of line did you form from A to B? The distance from A to B, from what you can see, this is A and this is B. What kind of distance is this? Remember, we said this kind of vertical line is the one we call the longitude. So the distance along A to B is on the longitude. If you understood this, try to locate this point on the Earth and drop it in the comments. Let's also know the type of distance you form, whether it's the one formed on the longitude or the one formed on the latitude. Remember, if it's on the latitude, the distance will be in this form. And I hope this helps you. Let's know how much. And don't forget to share. Bye.